Today is day 3 of our 30 days series of building automations. Remember that this automation is for basic beginners or people who are trying to understand automations and how it works. But with these automations that we're building live together, you're going to understand how to make it more advanced and how to integrate or implement it for. So let's go and learn the concept of.
Today's automation is an AI agent, a basic AI agent, but with this AI agent, you're going to understand how all AI agents work and more things you can do with AI agent. This AI agent sits on our calendar every day, every morning, depending on the time you set it to work. It goes through your calendar, find all the meetings you're going to be having, and then sends you a research summary of that meeting. Now, this is how it works. It goes to your calendar, finds the meeting, go through the meeting and see the meeting. What is this meeting about? See the people invited for the meeting, the company you're meeting with, etc. And then if it's a company, it make research on that company and tell you everything, key details that you should know about the company. Maybe their wins, are they on the news, etc. And then the name of the attendees is use the domain name of their email, make a research on who they are, what they do, things you should be ready about during this meeting when it comes to talking to these people. It gives you an overview of who is attending the meeting, who refused to accept the meeting, and it also gives you strategic points to talk about, like how to open your meeting with them, your meeting sentence, the questions to ask. This AI agent doesn't just send you a reminder of your meeting. No, it helps you get set, prepared, and ready for your meeting every day. In our automation today, we'll be using Google Calendar. You can use Microsoft. You can use any calendar you want. And we'll be using Zapier for automation, not make.com. We'll also be using Slack to receive our notification every day. Before I go to Zapier, I'm just going to create a channel here for my Slack where we're going to get our notification. I'm creating a channel and I'm going to name it CEO Daily Meeting Update. So name it whatever you name it. Once you're done, meet me in Zapier. Let's start building. After that, I went to my Chrome, Google, whatever browser you're using. I typed zapier.com and I signed up for zapier.com. I don't have an account with this email. So if you also don't have an account, sign up a new account. And if you do, then please log in and let's go in and continue setting up. So this is what Zapier looks like. This is the canvas, the front interface for Zapier automation. You can explore the page and see there's a lot of template in case you don't know what you want to build, in case you don't want to start from scratch. There are a lot of templates. You can just research and see which one fits what you want and what you want to work with. On the left hand side, you can say create. You're going to pick what you want. Do you want to create zaps? That is Zapier. You want to create like a sheet, a table. Do you want to make forms? Whatever. You can see a lot of options, but we just want to create AI agent. So I'm going to click that agent and move to the next part. Agent is going to bring us to this next interface, and you can see there are also templates here for AI agents you want to build. There you can write a description for what your agent, but we're going to be creating custom. So let's go ahead and create our custom agent from the beginning, step by step. Hooray! So we're here and ready to build. Now I've given it a name already. You can give your own name. So first thing first, remember your trigger. Every automation has a trigger. Even AI agents have triggers. So you must think of, what is my trigger? What starts this automation? What do I want to happen when something happens? So what is that something? The thing that starts that automation, the number one foundation is your trigger. So there are a lot of triggers to choose from. You can see a lot of apps. Just pick whatever you want to pick. But I'm going to go with scheduled by Zapier. I'm going to pick that. Once I pick it, I have options to choose the time I want my automation to run. Morning, afternoon, customize the time you want, days of the week. But I'm going to use on demand for this automation. So on demand means whenever I click run, it runs, because we can't wait for it to run the next day or the next upper day. So pick what you want. Just play with this. The more you play with it, the more better you become in this stuff. After picking my trigger, next thing is to write my instructions for the agent to follow. That is called prompting or system message. This is what tells the automation or the agent what you want it to do. It gives you step-by-step instructions on what you want it to do. So you tell it what you want in this, you give it prompt, you give it instruction, behavior. How do you want your agent to behave? What are the tools it can use? What are the things it has to do daily? This is where you write it. So now I'm going to go and give my AI agent all the tools it needs to be autonomous. An AI agent is autonomous. It can take decision by itself. It can go outside and do tasks for you, do tasks, do research. So it needs tools. It actually needs tools to do those research and do things by itself. So I'm giving it the Google Calendar tool. You can just go through the prompt and see wherever a tool is needed. DM, make comment for the prompt that I used for this, and I'm going to send it to you. The action that I used for this Google Calendar is find events. We want this tool to be able to find all the events in our calendar and then go through the whole verification. If this is your first time using this, any tool you add, if it's your first time, you're going to verify and give access. After that, I'm just going to go through this configuration and I'm going to say allow the AI agent to do its thing. Just let it do its thing. Our next tool is sending Slack messages. How are we going to send Slack message? We need to give it access to Slack. If not, the AI agent is not going to do anything. So I'm going to search for Slack and give it access. You see how we're giving power to your AI agent to go out and perform tasks for you. So I'm going to pick send to a channel and then give it the channel we created earlier. Remember the channel we created? Yes. So you're going to give your AI agent access to that channel right now. So go through and give it every tool it needs and make sure your prompt is okay. And then I'm going to review this agent, preview it, and test this agent to see if it will go as planned. So this agent is going as planned and I'm okay with everything it was able to do. It followed my instruction. Then I'm going to publish it right now and see it work real life. That's all. Very easy. Now in my calendar, I have some meetings. So ensure you have available meetings in your calendar so that these agents can find the meetings, the events, and work with it. So let's test our AI agent and see. So, yep, we are here and I've owned my agent. This is it. I'm going to play it or run it on demand. And you can see it will start running and give us everything it's going to do. Remember, you can make this run at a specific time. That is the best way to do it. This is just me trying to make this okay for our preview. So everything runs successfully. You can always come back and see what it did step by step and then confirm if you like it or you don't like it, just anything. So back to Slack to see if we got a notification. Yes, you can see that channel has one new message that we can open now. So I'm just going to open it so that you can see that automation run perfectly. So this is me opening it and you can see what it did. It ran like this morning just now when I was on this automation. It has the first meeting. It was able to go and research the people in this meeting, see what they are, what they could help us do, the things about them, company snapshot, etc. It got the second meetings. It gave us like what we could talk about, best opening, best question, strategic focus, what we could talk about, etc. It got 3 meetings from my calendar and it gave me this summary. Now, I want you to even do better than this automation. You can connect this agent to your journals or digital journals, to your tags, etc. And then every morning it picks your tag. It can send it to your WhatsApp, your Telegram, to your email, anyhow you want it is gonna get it done. So this is it. You can decide to add more tools and make it more smarter. Cheers.